Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today smelling good like a million bucks is not just a slogan. It's not just a slogan. In reality, you can spend millions on your perfume range. Yes. If there's one thing I love, I'm so obsessed with is perfume, hair, shoes, and bag. I swear anything. But to see for smell, I don't joke with it. I think all women, depending on your budget, what it can carry, you can have the most expensive perfume on your body, even though you don't have some of my favorite brands of perfume. If I don't shop for my perfume abroad, I always do the Montaigne Place because they have originals there. They have license to sell original. They don't do replicas. I don't understand why people will buy replica perfume. Why? Hey, if I understand that you want to refill a bottle, understand this one replica for perfume, abba, go work. So come unbox my perfume with me, Montaigne Place. I got about, so I have to show you, I got about five of it. So I'll be unboxing it. I'll tell you my best, the most expensive one here. So I have this one, Giorgio Armani. So which is beautiful. Yes, my way. Giorgio Armani. I have this one here. So, and I have this one, the good girl. I think I just like the bottle. That's why I got it as well. But the tester was nice again. And no, I won't bring that one out. Then I got my Versace. Yeah, and I got this candle. It's really nice. So we'll do the unboxing together. Then finally, I've always wanted to get the Yves Saint Laurent perfume. Yeah, so which one are we going to do the unboxing first? So we start. Let's have some respect here. The smallest one, that's when we start unboxing. So here is it. Yeah. My way, she loves it my way. I'm not really obsessed with all this food and the 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 food, but it's so cute. Yeah. So they do the pew 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 pew. So me, very nice, very nice. So me, I don't do one perfume at a time. So I do like multiple perfumes. So I just confuse my enemies. You understand me? I think this one is just big. I think the content inside is small. So let's just open it. So for my perfume shopping, I do three times a year. Yes, I did this one in April. So the next one will be August and December. I do like three times shopping of perfume. I save towards it. It's not something I just wake up in the morning and I want to buy. It's not possible because I plan towards it. So here you go. Yeah, I think I needed to get this one in my collection. Yeah. So most of them I do every day. So most of them I do for events when I'm going for events. So I'll tell you the price of it. So we're unboxing this my Versace. Yeah. I got the last one I got was the blue one. Yeah. I think I got that one from Switzerland. That's why I got that one. So this one, love Versace so much. And I have an empty bottle of it. This is Oriri. It's not your kind of I'm trying to be feminine right now. You understand me? They said I like to, I'm always fond of masculine perfume. So, and it's not nice. I should do the feminine perfume touch. And say that this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Yeah. So, this one, yeah, I couldn't, it's not that my tea, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah. So you chop your money. Oh. If you can, chop your money. Chop your money. Don't keep it in account. When you die now, next of kin will share your money and chop. And spend your money. I'm in love with it. Yeah. So we go. It's so nice. It's so nice. Are we coming back to this one that refused to open? We coming back to this one that refused to open. It's just here. You just pull it out. Wow. It's just like a babe trying to do a dance or something. See her legs. It's so crazy, right? I know. So this is it. Mm. I just like the way it is. I just like the cock. They're not fake. Yeah. Mm. So this is it. We're good. When last did you shop for perfumes? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Eh? Don't keep your money for anybody that will chop your money. So I'll go with the pricing now. I'm not putting on my glasses, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for me. Like the normal price was like 227, 250, but I got it for 205. And this one, Scandal was supposed to be for 167,000, but I got it for 157. And here's my Versace. My Versace. I got this one. This one was for 164, and this one was for 226, and this one was for 177. So that's it for my perfume unboxing. I hope you smell like $1 million and just try. You know, if you wear fine dress, fine face, you go the smell. Oh, nice now. Oh, nice. It's not nice, okay? So try, invest in good perfume, smell good, even though you don't have millions in your account. Make sure you smell good. Until next time, see you in my next video again. Bye.